கைலைநாதனே கருணையின் வடிவே நீ வருக வருகவே நலம் தரும் வாழ்வருளும் நித்யானந்தனே இடமதி சூடி நீ வருக வருகவே அன்பின் வடிவமே ஆனந்த ஈஸ்வரனே அண்டம் முழுதும் சிவாட்சி மலர வருகவே அடிமுடி காணாத அண்ணாமலை நாதனே சடைமுடி ஆண்டவனே அடியெடுத்து வருகவே கையிலையில் வாழும் எங்கள் கைலைநாதனே கருணை வடிவே நீ வருக வருகவே நலம் தரும் வாழ்வருளும் நித்யானந்தனே இடமதி
Please be seated with your spine, neck and head in a straight line. Bring the hands together in Namaskara Mudra. We're going to start the ritual of Nityananda Yoga with the Satguru Vandanam. Nityanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadrisham Tattvamasyadilaksham Ekam Nityan Vimalamachalam Sarvadi Sakshibhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Satgurum Tam Namami. Let's proceed with the Shiva Mula mantra. Om Ham Ham Shivaya Namaha. 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 Om Ham Ham Shivaya Namaha.
Nityanandam. We welcome all the Mahasadashiva participants for this blissful Nityananda Yoga Abhyasa session, which is a part of the Nitya Anushtana Vidhi of the Agamas laid down by Sadashiva himself in the physical presence of Mahasadashiva, His Holiness Paramahamsa Sri Nityananda Swamiji. Nityanandam. Before we begin the Nityananda Yoga Abhyasa session, let us now start doing the Achamana and align our inner image, our life image, and the image that we have about Sadashiva to the ultimate reality of Mahasadashiva. Please take the Panchapatra, the water cup, and the spoon with you. If any participant is not having the Panchapatra and Udrani, you can raise your hand. Rudras and Rudrakanyas. Rudras and Rudrakanyas, kindly attend to the participants who are not having the Panchapatra and Udrani. Have you all taken bath today? Brushed our teeth? Cleansed our bowel and bladder? Are we all ready to start the Nityananda Yoga session? Yes. Please take one Uddharani, one spoon of water onto your right hand. Have your right hand as projected and pour one spoon, one Uddharani of water onto your right hand, and along with the chanting of the mantra, please sip the water. Om Atmatattvam Shodhayami Svadha. Om. Now, please take another spoon of water onto your right hand, and along with the chanting of the mantra, please sip the water. Om Vidya Tattvam Shodhayami Svadha. Next, another spoon of water onto your right hand, and along with the chanting of the mantra, please sip the water. Om Shiva Tattvam Shodhayami Svadha. Now wash your right hand, and with the base of the right hand thumb, wipe your upper lips and lower lips from the right hand side to the left hand side twice. And now again wash your hand. Now with the right hand index, middle and ring finger together, touch the upper part of your lips and again once the lower part of the lips. Now with the right hand index and thumb, index finger and thumb joined together, touch your right nostrils one and the left nostril once. Now with your right hand thumb and the ring finger joined together, touch your right eye once and the left eye once, and then your right ear once and your left ear once. Now with the base of the right hand little finger and the right hand thumb, touch your navel above your clothes, and then take your palm and put it on your chest, and then all fingers join together on the crown of your head and on your right shoulder and then your left shoulder. The Achamana is now complete. Now we'll enter into the Sankalpa, the conscious will of creating a yogic body, creating the optimum health, and for manifesting all the Shaktis of Sadashiva, and for achieving the highest purpose of our life, the Maha Sadashivatva, the ultimate experience of enlightenment. Now please take your left palm and open it and put it on your right thigh, and above the left palm keep your right palm and close it and chant the mantra along with me now. Om Mamopata Samasta Durita Kshayadvara Shri Sadguru Prityartham Shri Nityanandeshwari Adishakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Sadashiva Prityartham Shri Sarvadeva Devi Swarupa Sadguru Nityananda Swami Kripakatakshena Purana Arogya Yukta Dridhagatra Yaugika Sharira Siddhyartham Sadashiva Shakti Avishkaranartham Sakutumbasya ज्ञानवैराग्य जीवन्मुक्ति प्राप्त्यर्थं नित्यानंद योगाभ्यासं करिष्ये. Now wash both of your hands with a little water. And we are now all set, ready to enter into the vinyasa krama of the asanas.
Okay, so let us now all sit in Sukhasana in a comfortable seated position. Hands by the knees with your spine, neck and head in a straight line.
तत्सुखासनमित्युक्तम् अशक्तस्तत्समाचरेत् आसनं विजितं येन जितं तेन जगत्त्रयम्.
Inhaling, arms all the way up above the head, hands together, Parvatasana.
अथ वक्ष्ये महादेव पर्वतासनमङ्गलम् यत्कृत्वा स्थिररूपी स्यात् षट्चक्रादिविलोपनम्.
And bringing the feet together in front of you. You're going to exhale, hands all the way back behind your back, lifting the heart, inhale. And on the exhale, you're going to lean forward and down into Hali Bhavasana.
पूर्व विधियाहु में जानो उभे पगथली संपुट ठानो पिष्ट पछे दोवु कर प्ल्यावो दक्षिण कर सोव वाम गहावो पिष्टि हथेल्याम की जोई अंशु सहित भूमि धरे सोई पुनिल लाति भू परिठाने एड्याम लगता माही आने.
Inhaling, arms up. And on the exhale, you're going to lean forward and down, bending over from the hip, keeping the spine straight into Nagi Bhavasana.
पूर्व विधि परि आगाने नीचो होई कहूनि फणास्यो लगाई हाथ आगाने धरती लगावे पसारी दोऊ हाथ की अंजूली करे भूयडी परि लगावे दृष्टि नासा अग्र आसन को गुण शरीर बिथा जाई.
And inhaling, arms up. And on the exhale, you can release. Bringing your feet again comfortable in a seated position. Hands in a cross manner. You're going to inhale, lifting the heart. And on the exhale, you're going to lean forward and down, keeping the spine straight, bringing the elbows towards the ground into Kokilasana.
अथान्यदासनं वक्ष्ये येन सिद्धो भवेन्नरः अकस्माद्वायुसञ्चारं कोकिलाख्यासनेन च ऊर्ध्वे हस्तद्वयं कृत्वा तदग्रे पादयोः सुधीः वृद्धाङ्गुष्ठद्वयं नाथ शनैः शनैः प्रकारयेत्.
And release. Very good. Now bringing the hands on the elbows. Keeping the heart lifted, we're going to bring the gaze at the tip of the nose as we proceed into the dynamic asana of Neti Asana.
गोड़ा बावा पाद की आँख माहिल सोय दक्ष चरण को वार लौता परिगुल्फ समोय वाम पाद को माहिलो बहुरो गुल्फ जुजान ता परिगोड़ा दक्ष की आँख चाख बाहर लीवान.
Very good. Release. Now let's transition into standing by coming into Gajasana first. So come into your hands and knees. And from here, you're going to tuck the toes under, lifting the hips up into Gajasana.
न्युब्जं पादाग्रे भूमौ कृत्वा लम्बीभूय मस्तकाग्रे निधाय नितम्बं मूर्ध्वे मुत्रमय्य नाभिलक्ष्यं भूमौ नासिकाम् आनीय हस्ततलपर्यन्तं नयेत् इत्थं पुनः पुनः कुर्यात् गजासनं भवति.
Very good. Walk your feet forward now. And as you exhale, you're going to enter into Uttanasana.
महामुद्राबद्धकोणौ ताडासनविभेदकान् विनोत्तानं सदा कुर्यात् अन्तर्वत्नीपतिप्रिया.
And slowly inhaling, arms all the way up into Tadasana. And exhale, release. Very good. Now bring in the Left foot on the ground. Left foot firmly onto the ground. You're going to bring the right knee up, keeping the heart lifted, bringing the knee as close to you as possible into Balalingasana.
एकं जानूरसि आलिङ्ग्य स्थातव्यं बाललिङ्गनं भवति.
Release. Bringing the knees down, knees, holding the foot with both the hands behind you, keeping the spine straight. Let's enter into Pada Pidanasana.
स्थित्वैकस्मिन् पादतले कराभ्यां वेष्टयेत्तनुं पृष्ठे संस्थाप्य यत्नेन पादपीडनमासनम्.
And release. Hold the foot from the inside as you lean forward and enter into Natarajasana.
उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचिं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्ठप्रसारणे.
And slowly release.